Hi everybody, Michael here. I got good news. I finally got my bike back. My father went and picked up my bike this morning from Sonny's, and Sonny's did a lot of work to it. So after over a month of getting repairs done to the bike, it's finally done. It's got a whole new chain, because that's what it basically needed. New derailleur. This is all brand new right here, right over here as well. Not only that, it's got brand new tires on it. It's got brand new tires on it, because when I first got the bike in 2013, I was basically riding on the original tires. But 2 years ago, I had the rear tire replaced. But look, it's got two brand new tires on it. Best of all, I got a mirror. So, alrighty guys, thanks for watching. And the LED lights on the bike still work. But I'm actually thinking about getting rechargeable LED lights for the bike. It's going to be in the future. But these lights from 2017 still work, including this one. So in a later video, I'm gonna do some, biking runs, especially with this cell phone mount that's still on the bike. So, all right, everybody, don't forget to subscribe to me on this channel as well as my other one. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and see you later.